In 1776, our nation's story began. A declaration signed, freedom's flame lit up the land. From sea to shining sea, a dream took its stand. America, America, a nation born in liberty's hand. Happy birthday, USA. We celebrate today, the land of the free, where hearts find their way. From fireworks to parades, we'll sing and we'll sway. Happy birthday, America, on this Independence Day. Through trials and strife, we've stood strong and true. Our hearts still beating as one, with liberty shining through. From mountains to prairies, our spirit will roam. America, America, our hearts sing our nation's home. Happy birthday, USA. We celebrate today, the land of the free, where hearts find their way. From fireworks to parades, we'll sing and we'll sway. Happy birthday, America, on this Independence Day. Independence Day. We'll honor our past and our heroes too. Their courage and dreams still inspiring me and you. We'll celebrate our freedom with joy in our hearts. On this special day, we'll never be apart. Happy birthday, USA. We celebrate today, the land of the free, where hearts find their way. From fireworks to parades, we'll sing and we'll sway. Happy birthday, America, on this Independence Day. Oh, oh, on this Independence Day. Oh, honor our past and our heroes too. Their courage and dreams still inspiring me and you. We'll celebrate our freedom with joy in our hearts. On this special day, we'll never be apart.